Alright guys, so we're gonna start off with the wheels. Of course I went with RaceStar's. Most affordable thing I could do right now, but yeah, I don't think you can see my thing. My address. Yeah, it's not even focused, but yeah, I can tell. Let's see. But yeah, I did take a peek. The other box, not these. I didn't take them out of the box. Yeah, did I open them right? Yeah, I did. Okay, so let's see. Ooh, it comes with all this magazine. Nice. Oh, I was gonna get the where are they? The all black ones, but they were in back order, so I had to get the I think they're the metallic gray. Yeah. So I had to get those instead of these, which are the ones that I wanted. But I ended up getting these. For right now, I only have the back ones, but my front runner should be in like 2 weeks, I think. I ordered them separate, so yeah. Anyways, this is just warranty and then all this other stuff. Alright, I'm gonna put this down. Let's see, should I take it out? No, I kind of don't want to scratch them or anything, so I'm gonna do it in here. Alright. Get this off. Put it there. Woohoo, these are nice. I'm not even gonna lie to you, these are nice. Look at that. And these are, this is the size right here. 17s, about 9.5. But yeah. Let's see how much they weigh. Oh, actually don't weigh that much. I don't know what that is. The lug nuts or the, I think it's the center cap thing. Oh, I think I have the lug nuts on this other box. Let's go over here. Okay, so I had to take out the address on this one, but I think these are the lug nuts. I'm not sure. Let's see. Can't really do anything with one hand. Sorry for all the extra noise. Yeah. Oh, what is this? Yeah, it's the lug nuts. Let's see. I'm actually gonna put them on top right here. Alright, so this is what comes in the little box. This is the lug nuts. And then a socket for the lug nuts. Oh, these are washers for these. Yeah. Is it for these? Yeah, it is. Oh, nice. Comes with these two. Oh yeah, and then this is because I think the bore size on these are a little bit too small. And then if you just put the wheel like that. If you just put the wheel without these, it'll be loose. It'll have slack. I still haven't tried them on. Like, that's the thing. I'm not even sure if they're gonna fit. Hopefully they do. Oh, that's my dog right there. Hey, papas. Let's put it in. Go over there. Alright, so let's open this. This one's actually pretty heavy, the torque converter. Let's see. I gotta pull this thing out. Alright, guys. Alright, guys, so I really can't take this thing out with one hand. Oh, yeah, I got it. Okay, so. Oh, this is actually pretty cool. Pink color. Or these are just like kind of like the stock torque converters, just a bigger stall, or like they stall at a higher RPM. But yeah, that's that. Which I'm actually pretty excited whenever I install this stall. I actually really like the wheels. These are like fucking nice. Anyways, guys, that's it for the video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I'm actually gonna show you like a little time lapse of me washing or rinsing off my car. Not really washing, but yeah. If you have any questions or anything, I'll probably answer them. Like sometimes I don't know if my notifications aren't on, or I don't know, but I normally reply in like a week.